Bill Ackman, Bruce Berkowitz, and John Paulson, just three of the billionaires sinking big money into government-controlled Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. It's a risky play. Democrats and Republicans both want to shut down the mortgage finance giants. Republican Bob Corker's bipartisan Senate bill would do it in 5 years and wipe out existing shareholders in the process.
These are obviously people who've had a lot of successes in the past, but that's not a bet I'd be willing to make.
Bill Ackman's the latest to bet. His hedge fund paid $400 million for a 10% stake in Fannie's and Freddie's common shares. Bruce Berkowitz holds the most preferred shares, worth $3.5 billion. They're interested because Fannie and Freddie own or guarantee more than half of all U.S. mortgages right now, and they're making a lot of money. Fannie earned a record $17 billion last year, Freddie $11 billion. But under the $188 billion government bailout of Fannie and Freddie, taxpayers get all those profits. Berkowitz and other private investors have filed lawsuits challenging that. Victory in court may be their best hope.
This is a long shot, but that doesn't mean that there isn't the chance for recoveries. Some of these claims in the lawsuits are incredibly strong.
But the lawsuits could take years, so Fannie and Freddie investors are also lobbying Congress to be compensated in any legislative overhaul. Another long shot.
It's very difficult to imagine legislation rewarding these investors, and it's partly because of the reality that Wall Street is not the most sympathetic constituency on Capitol Hill.
And just last week, Berkowitz tried a new approach. If you can't beat them, buy them. His Fairholme Capital Management offered a $52 billion deal to the government for Fannie and Freddie's mortgage insurance business, saying, "We believe our proposal can be the starting point for a solution that is the best deal for the taxpayer." Corker is skeptical of the offer and says Congress needs to close Fannie and Freddie first.
I think the offer is way too low, and I don't think anybody takes the amounts very seriously. But that type of offer only works if we actually go through the type of housing finance reform that I've been advocating.